Hi friends, welcome back. This is Netgear Nighthawk R7000 Wi-Fi 5 router unboxing and first look video. This supports AC 1900 smart Wi-Fi router which can use mesh technology with other routers within the same network, and it has 1 GHz processor, and it supports gaming, streaming. Mobile app is existing for this in both Android and iOS. Let's take a closer look. There are certain LEDs which show status indication, and it is provided with Ethernet cable, power cable, and power adapter. That's the circle app details. There is a installation guide, and that is a power adapter with the cable to plug into power socket, the 3 antennas here, and Ethernet cable. Thank you.